Hey guys, I'm Chef Mimi J, and today I'm making blackened cod with a shrimp Creole sauce. So let's get cooking. I'm always trying to drop gems on you, so I'm gonna let you in on the secret to my blackening seasoning blend. 2 secrets I'll let you in on. There are a few other things, but lemon pepper and turmeric. So directly onto the fish, I'm gonna put a nice coating of this blackening seasoning. With a little bit of that poke fat, you hear me? We're gonna go in with that high heat avocado oil. And this one is gonna be the majority of the oil. I am going to cut the fish into manageable pieces. They'll fit into the skillet better and it'll be better for plating. Get your fish into that hot grease as soon as it is ready. So for my shrimp, we'll go in with that same seasoning blend, give it a quick toss, and right into that skillet with the fish. Color equals flavor. A little crispy one, mine like that, a little crispy one. I dare not clear this pot out, y'all, because in the bottom of that pot contains flavor to savor. I'm gonna throw the sausage in there, my vegetables in there, and let everybody get happy together. My bay leaf goes in. So I'll go ahead and just, let me just strip the thyme. The Creole sauce is almost ready. This is that shrimp stock I was telling y'all about. I had these cherry tomatoes, a whole carton of them left from a dinner. The last ingredient I'm gonna add in is corn, y'all. This corn is fresh, so I'm not trying to overcook it. I really just want to warm it through. It's my Creole sauce. I'm gonna put in it what I want to. This one right here, y'all. I know you want it. Open up. Some of that sauce. Ooh, right over the rice.